If you're in sales like me, you know just how important it is to stand out, to be memorable, and it becomes impossible to do that when you allow yourself to become just another sales deck. And you know what I mean, just a talking head in a box alongside your presentation. With a sales pitch and you can finally break out of this box and be on screen with your content. Stay on brand and use slides to support you so that you can build the rapport that's needed to improve those conversion rates. And then seamlessly hop into an engrossing product demo without ever having to share your screen. You can even pre-record it so that you can get it just right while also still being here for any questions that come up along the way. And then continue to stand out along the process by sending video follow-ups with chapters to all of the most important parts of your conversations. It's kind of like magic. So here's how you do it. It's 5 simple steps. First, upload your slides. You can make them directly in or if you have previously made content in PowerPoint or Keynote, you can drag them right into and we'll take it from there. And next, use scenes, both for strategic placement, but also to provide some visual magic to your presentation. With a single click, you can go from showing interesting data to showing how to use an important feature in your product. Or just use them to stand out and have fun. And lastly, and I can't recommend this one enough, send a video follow-up that summarizes the most important parts of your conversation and outlines next steps. When you're ready to share it, just click publish, copy the link, and send it out. Simple. Your prospects will thank you for it, and most likely your boss will too. And that's it. If you're looking for a way to inject some life back into your sales presentation, I urge you to give this a shot. And as always, go get them.